Good morning people and welcome back to another video. So today we are heading towards Kolhapur for one of our friend's wedding. Because of some reason we have to make it a one-day return plan, and I thought this is a great opportunity to test our new Tata Altroz iTurbo on the highways. So what am I expecting from our car? Well, nothing much on the mileage front because the car is relatively new, not done the first servicing yet, but in terms of ride quality and comfort I am having some high expectations, and I hope it comes out with the flying color. So let's see how it goes. The first thing that I wanted to test in this car on the highways was cruise control because I never used it. So as soon as we crossed the first toll at Kolhapur, I started using it. It took me 2-3 times to figure out how it really works, but later on I found it quite easy. It is just a couple of clicks on the steering control and you can engage cruise control at any speeds. Using the other controls on steering wheel, you can just increase or decrease the cruising speed. So I found it quite helpful and I ended up using quite a lot on this trip. I'm planning to make a separate video on cruise control of Tata Altroz, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you have hit the bell icon so that you get notified with the new videos. Taking the advantage of the slightly open roads, I kept on driving at comfortable speeds between 80 to 100 km per hour. While doing this, the car felt really great in all the conditions, be it the high-speed corners, the tighter sections of guard, and some bumpy patches. I must say Tata Motors has done a brilliant job with the suspension setup of this car. It was absorbing the bumps nicely, it was hugging the corners quite well, and be it the front seats or the occupants on the rear seats, we all were happy with the kind of comfort the suspension was giving us. By the time we reached Karad, we thought of having a quick stop for the breakfast, and I thought this is a great opportunity to see what the MID screen says about fuel economy, and I must say for a turbo petrol engine I was quite happy to see this number. After our not so good breakfast, we continued our journey, finally picked our 5th occupant from Nipani, and now we had 3 adults on the back seat. We left the national highway and took the Nipani-Gadinglas road. The road was narrow but newly paved, and this was our best opportunity to test the agility and cornering of our fully loaded car. There were a lot of speed breakers on this road, which also gave me an opportunity to test the braking and acceleration of the car. The car did not bottom out a single time and we had a comfortable ride over the speed breakers. Accelerating out of the speed breakers in a fully loaded car and also with the air conditioning switched on was also up to the mark. Overall, it was a good performance to complete our one-side journey. The MID reading also showed a good number, not to mention it dropped down from 21.7 to 20.4 while driving on these narrow roads, which I think is not bad for the first journey for a 1.2 litre turbocharged petrol engine. We reached just in time for our friend's wedding. Thanks to the comfort and the ride quality, we were fresh enough to attend his wedding. While the couple went through their wedding rituals, we did our mandatory photo shoot, blessed our friends with some road trips, and not to forget the main reason to attend any wedding, that is food. Now it was time to head back. I handed over the driving duties to my friend mainly because I wanted his feedback as he owns a Tata Tigor, and for me to check how comfortable the rear seats actually are. While he put down the hammer on our way back, I enjoyed a good nap on the back seat, only to open my eyes when we were stationary at one of the tolls. The traffic towards Pune was so much, it took us 8 hours to reach Pune. I know it killed the economy of the car that we achieved in the morning, but it was good enough considering the fact that we did crawling speeds for our 1 to 2 kilometers on every tool. Nevertheless, I must say, me and my wife enjoyed the ride and comfort of the rear seats as much as the front seats. The cushioning is phenomenal. The central armrest provides a good support, and not to forget those rear vents, which do a brilliant job keeping the rear compartment properly cool. My friend also validated that he enjoyed his stint driving through the heavy traffic and did speeds between 120 to 130 km per hour when he got some free piece of road. He said that the car felt stable and planted, and I can validate this because I was in my dreams at that time and his fast driving did not kill any of my dreams. This was just the first drive of our car and we are already happy about our choice of buying Altroz iTurbo. There are a lot of videos planned with our Altroz iTurbo, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Hope you have found this video informative. Don't forget to share if you liked it. See you next time.